Hey there, everyone. I'm glad you stopped by. I recently got this really nice mid-century jewelry box. It's got a plastic frame, and the sides and the cover are that really cool leatherette that a lot of jewelry boxes are made with. It's got this excellent mid-century look to it. It's in great shape, and it is for sale. But I decided to do a display with it, and we're going to have some fun for a minute. The first piece of jewelry I want to show you is this lovely Monet triple chain in like new condition. It's 53 inches long. Whoops, I'm jumping around here. Sorry about that. It's gorgeous. It's in fantastic condition. 53 inches. I have it doubled up here, and you can triple it. It's very beautiful. Yeah. Gorgeous. Okay, darlings. Get ready, because there's more. So, we'll open up the jewelry box. I have to do everything one-handed because I'm using my phone. If you see anything that you're interested in today or on any of my videos, you can email me at heartwings. That's heart like your beating heart, wings with an S, 1123@gmail.com. And ask me any questions that you like and tell me what things you've seen that you're interested in. You can send me a screenshot or a timestamp and the name of the video. That will help me understand exactly what piece you're interested in. And all of that information is also in the description box below the video. And a sold list will be in the comments. So if you find something that you like, look in the sold list to make sure that it isn't gone already. And many of the pieces in older videos are also still available. Okay, here we have a really pretty Carol Lee faux pearl set. There is a bracelet. It's small. It's like 6 1/4, 6 1/2 tops. Very nice iridescent rainbowy pearl on there. A nice champagne color. Very pretty. And the necklace is very long. I'll put it up here. Really nice. It looks great with the Monet. So there's that, and then there's also this really cool mid-century ring. I'll put it on here. It's brutalist. It has a little bead of jade on it. It's a 6. Sorry, I'm out of focus here. Sorry, just give me a second. There we go. So there's a little tiny bit of wear on it, the tips, but it just makes it look extra shiny. See how the silver's coming through a little bit? It's not marked. But it is really nice. It's not worn. Really pretty. So there's that. And then I have these older ones. Not entirely positive when these are from. Early 60s is my guess. These are screwbacks. They're in excellent condition. There's a little, like, I don't know what that is, but I've cleaned them a couple of times. It's just a stain, not dirt. Sorry about that. I dropped one. Yeah, they don't have a maker, but they are exceptional. I really like these. They're unique. Very unique. Little knots with the filigree fan folded over from the backing. And like no wear. They're heavily plated. There's those. And then there's these amazing rhinestones. These are exceptional rhinestone earrings. Prong set, every single one. Really, really bright. Sorry, there we go. Really nice. They work fine. The hinges are perfect. No dead stones at all. They're great. There's those. And then I have some incredible Napiers. If you've seen my other video on the clip-on party, you'll know about these already. Napier. And there are these little knots. Gorgeous. And they are hinged screwbacks. So they have a hinge. Just a second, I'm using the wrong hand. Okay. So they have a hinge. And they have a screwback. Gorgeous. Little gold-plated knots. Very pretty. So there's those. And then I have this recent acquisition, a Trifari bracelet. It's a crown Trifari bracelet. I think it's crown Trifari. Let me check. Make sure that what I'm saying is true. Where's the, yeah, there it is. Where, am I blind? Yes, I am. Yes, it's a crown Trifari. There's the little crown. Actually, that's the big crown. Yeah. So there's that bracelet. It's very small. As you may have seen in another video, there possibly could be a piece missing here. So I'm researching that. But there's a really nice piece of mid-century jewelry there. There we go. Looks pretty in there on the red velvet. And little Napiers. And the cool Brutalist ring. And the rhinestones. And these cool 60s earrings. And the Carol Lee. Okay, and then we've got a whole other side filled with goodies. So I'll do a second video with those.